and can cause bird flu illness such as salmonella and cytotoxins.
This is the first or the earliest effort that our school has done to prevent the birds from perching on this roof. However, it doesn't work. As we can see here, the birds trap and die, and the dead body will decay and eventually harm our students through infection.
The school used to overcome the fecal problem, which are black ribbons and wire mesh.
This failure leads us to find new solutions which are more effective through research.
So this is how to make BMW Bird Spike. You only need this bathroom mat and then the wires. Cut it into rolls, and then this is the result. And then take the wires, fold it into half, 15 cm each. And then this is the toggle. Put it between the toggle and then lay it down into the opposite side like this. And then push it backwards until it reaches the front. Okay, then lift it up. Follow the step until the end of the mat.
So we have tried to put on the bird spike on this BRC material, and if you can see here that once we put on this bird spike, it can easily come out. The wires that we've placed on to put the bird spike, they come out easily, and it is confirmed that it is not strong enough if we put it at any kind of pipes or electric pipes. So this is the example that we have made, that we've put on the bird spike on this kind of material which is made out of plastic, and we can see that it's more stronger and flexible besides from this one. This is made out of BRC, which is the wires, and since this one is made out of plastic and it's more flexible, we can put it at the door panel or the signboard. These are all kinds of bird spikes that we have done. This is the first one that is made out of egg container, and this one is from bathroom mat and wire, which is our innovation that is called BMW Bird Spike. And then the third one is made out from PVC net. So I will demonstrate to apply this PVC mat on the pipe. So these are all the different materials that we use for making our bird spike. The first one is we use the egg container. As we can see here, this egg container can easily break and brittle. The second one is by using PVC mat. As we can see here, this PVC mat is flexible when we put it at the pipe. However, it isn't strong compared to ours. That is from our innovation called BMW Bird Spike. By using our BMW Bird Spike, it is more strong and flexible. I'll explain why we use one row and two rows. So one row here is for little pipe, and using two rows, you can use it for bigger pipe.
So tonight is the first night to observe the effectiveness of BMW Bird Spike.
So this is set A with a bird spike, and there is set B without a bird spike.
Let's
go!
As the result, we can see here there's no bird perching on the set A at the first night. So we are at the set B. There's a lot of bird perching on the pipe. I wonder what happened on the next day.
Tonight is the second night. This is set A, and tonight the result is still the same as the night before. We're now at set B, and the birds are still perching as the night before.
This is the third day for the observation. From the observation, the results still remain the same. Hello, I'm back. This is the third night for the observation, but this is from the other set. However, the results still remain the same.